Hi, I am Prabhat. I look after flat product marketing and sales customers in Tata Steel. Welcome back to Greenovation, our series on sustainability leadership. Tata Steel has invested in Kalinganagar Phase 2, where a lot of advanced high-strength steels, third generation high-strength steels will be the part of Tata Steel's product portfolio and will be available to the customers. I am happy to report that our channel partners have taken initiative to install solar rooftops, which helps them conserve energy which they consume and contribute to the nation's greener future. Europe has come up with a new compliance requirement which is called Carbon Border Adjustment Mechanism, wherein the customers are asking for environmental product declaration. The world's greener future lies in hydrogen. So Tata Steel, along with its customer and R&D team and technology team, has developed an end-to-end solution for its customer, which is developing of steels which are compliant to hydrogen, at the same time developing pipes which can transmit hydrogen. So at Tata Steel, we are taking several steps towards greener future. Thank you for joining me in this episode of Greenovation. Stay tuned for more.